It's a code box.
This one looks more simple though.
Touching something. But we also need this.
There's also that one.
Just figured out.
He put it upside down.
I turned the whole thing upside down and the door slid right out. I'm in 8th place. We just finished this challenge. Time to hit the road. Hey, welcome back, treasure hunters! We are continuing the Kanab Treasure Quest.
Yes!
It is Wild Wild West steampunk adventure, and Shinue is dressed up all fancy. Yeah. We've got Jessica with us. Ryan is right here, and myself. It's just the 4 of us, no kids on this adventure, and we are in the runnings. We are in the top 10 for the first prize win here.
Although it could change at any moment.
That's right. Beach Dude, I'm number 8, Jessica's number 9, Shinue's 10, and Ryan is number 7th place. There's quite a gap between us and first place, a full 1,600 points, so we've got a lot of catching up to do. There is also a lot of competition behind us that is not really that close to us, and a lot of people I think have given up, or there's little kids, so I think we can do this, you guys. We're gonna be in the top 10 at the very least, which puts us into the finale, and then there's a face-off tomorrow morning for the finale.
That's if we keep on going.
But we gotta keep on going, so let's go find... There might be another quick comeback challenge, so we're gonna go see if there is. But also while we're on the way, let's also see if we can find some other easy ones that we can kind of get started on right now.
Yeah.
So we'll keep you guys posted. Let's go have an adventure. Woo! Okay guys, we just got to a park and we're looking for Albert. Oh, hey look, there's the tree.
Where is it?
It's like Albert the tree man thing. Well, let me read it. I'm gonna read it to you guys.
You have to lower him down.
Albert Country is wanted by Kanab Treasure Quest. He was last seen at the hooligan as being a hooligan at this location. Find him and scan the QR code. So there he is. There's the owl up in the tree. Can you lower it? There's an owl right there in the tree.
What number is it?
Yeah, what number is this? Wait.
It doesn't have a number. It's just Albert Cotton Tree. It's above all the QRs and other things.
Okay, here we go.
Come on down, Albert. Hang on. There we go. Woohoo!
We might be waiting for the next hour before they announce.
Okay, hold it. Wait a minute. There's the owl, Bert. There's no QR code on
In
him.
his head or something?
I looked in his head and...
There's a hole in the bottom.
Oh look, open up this.
Ah, there it is.
Oh no, there's more to it.
Oh, there is more to it.
Well, let's figure it out.
Okay.
Hurry.
Here.
Here, okay.
Here. All right. You guys ready?
Yes.
Ah.
All right. And then there's another thing in here.
Is it a QR code?
I
Hopefully.
don't know. It just
Is it leading somewhere else?
It might. It's a QR code.
It's a QR code? Let's scan it.
What's it say?
I don't know, but I'm gonna scan this QR code to see if that's the right one.
Well, what?
Oh, I got it.
Did it say success?
Yep, success.
What if it just
What's
says
this
that on all?
though?
Oh, here, I can take a picture
That's a good
just
idea.
in case we need it. So that one was easier than I thought because it actually did have the QR code inside the owl's bottom.
You're trying to be graceful about talking about that.
So I guess that's it. I guess that's all that's here. It's actually a really pretty place, guys. Check it out. Just over here, Kanab Treasure Quest.
Yeah, I'm just gonna dive off a cliff right now.
Yeah, this is nice. But we're also waiting for another comeback challenge that should be happening any second, literally any second.
Yeah, no, it's been 24 minutes. I don't think they're doing
So they'll still do it this hour.
I think they have
I
too
just
many
don't
things
know.
they gotta figure out before they can actually
I just don't know where it's going to be at. They might kick people out. So
There's a lot of people.
Or
in the
they're
tent.
waiting for other people to leave.
let's
Like
go
us.
find another easy
Let's go
one.
use the bathroom.
That was 100 point or 150 points or something like that. All right, guys. So we still haven't gotten another quick comeback challenge, but we're here at another location. Some of these are a little bit easier. It's like worth 100 points, but all you have to do is put in the coordinates, and it leads you to a destination. I think we're in the right place. So we're about to hop out here. Let's go take a look.
Yep.
I think it's just like a puzzle box here,
Oh,
and
crap.
we just have to solve them. This has got to be it. So there's like all the red rock here, and then there's this old wagon, or
I don't see any footprints in it though.
this may or may not be where we need to be, but I know we're close.
Honker.
I can't find the location again on my phone. The Google Maps exited out of it.
Here, I'll pull it up again so you can put it in your phone if you want. Honker.
No.
It's just got coordinates here. It says 37, it should be in your recent checks. 37.0703.
03.
Okay, comma, space, minus
Space. Minus
112.53601.
601.
Yeah. So we're very close. Look at that.
Within walking distance.
Definitely within walking distance. So just kind of follow your phone and walk to it. It almost feels like it's back this way a little bit. Honker. Oh, Ryan's in the right direction? I thought I was going in the right direction. Did you find anything up there, Ryan? Oh, you found it? Ryan found it. Yeah, this is difficult terrain, guys. So they have a lot of these clues marked by their difficulty of terrain. And this one's a 2-star. So the terrain difficulty and the like hiking difficulty. But the puzzle box itself should be fairly simple because it's only a 1-star. So hopefully it's not hard and we have to come back out here, or that would be really obnoxious. Especially if we missed a comeback challenge because we're so far from our car. You're doing great, Jess. It's a good thing we dressed for the occasion, right?
I think there's rattlesnakes out here.
There could be snakes out here, sure.
Just looking at all the holes.
It's a good thing I've got my cowboy boots.
I had a goat head fall down my
What the heck? Honker! It scared you?
How'd you get in there?
Yeah, just walk.
It's hard.
Yeah.
I don't think that's the right answer.
But it has a key. And
I
there's
think
no
you have
key.
to press certain ones. Oh, this comes out. Oh, those come out.
Oh, look, yeah, at the sides.
Okay.
They all come out.
Oh, this.
So one of these maybe it spits out a key or something. Here's a thing you can push up. Oopsies. Maybe I'm not supposed to push that up. Try honking again.
It's kind of cool.
I kind of feel like a little kid right now. Oh.
What the heck?
That's weird.
This is a weird one.
I think, okay.
How do you make it honk, Ryan?
I don't know if there's service out here, so we might not get
You
notifications.
just push on it?
Guys, this one might not give us
Yeah.
notifications if they were out here. We need
Maybe.
somebody to stay by the car where they can get notifications.
It's in that.
You gotta get a key.
Yeah.
Have you tried all the different things to put in here? That's gotta be something. There's
Pushes up.
a little thing in there.
Not too far though. Maybe you have to push that up
I'm
and press
intrigued by this
something at the same
mechanism.
time.
You are, huh?
Yeah.
Have you tried all the different blocks inside this one to see if it has a different effect?
That thing goes
No.
further down.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I can actually,
Figure out.
maybe. Here, I'm gonna use the flashlight. Hang on. See if I can see in there.
Do you remember that battery we had? The battery?
Yeah, I don't think this one has to do with the battery.
Oh, there's something in there.
Is there?
Yeah. Wait, I lost it. Wait, there we go. I can see a little white thing. Almost looks like a button that you might push with one of these poker things.
Where?
Which one's a long one? Let's find a long stick.
Let's take them all out.
This one is a very long one.
This one's long too.
Which
one?
where do I
This
push it?
Wait, did that do what we
It
needed?
did something.
Maybe we have to honk all of them.
Oh, it's lower now.
Is it lower?
Yeah, do it again.
You hold that.
Press it harder.
Here, let me do it.
You have to twist it kind of.
Wait.
I think we are supposed to press all of them.
Hang on. Press them at the same time. Wait. Okay, ready?
There's
Wait,
another. Here, I have more.
this one's not honking it.
I have more. You have to press it at a certain angle.
It's coming down lower and lower. I think it's air pressure that's making it come
I
out.
think you're right.
So I almost think we can.
Oh, it came out!
Yeah. See.
Awesome!
Please push the tube. Wait. QR code.
Yeah.
Yay!
I dropped it in this one.
Good job, everybody!
It looks like it's a double one, but it's just the same thing.
Yeah.
Is it?
Is it? Are they different?
Okay, what was this one called again? Honker?
They're the same.
Honker.
Yeah. No.
Success!
Hold on, I need to get
Wait,
it.
what is it?
I got it!
How far down is
That was a cool one!
Yeah, it startled me.
it?
When I heard honker, I was like, oh, honker!
That's why it's called Honker. Hey Ryan, do you think we're gonna win this time again?
No. But it looks pretty good to me.
Okay, I guess we'll see.
I feel good.